Hey, so may tanong ako sa'yo tungkol sa mga DJ tutorial. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I teach mostly about DJing. I teach how to select music, how to choose which DJ gear to buy, which software to use, and so on. And mapapansin mo rin na karamihan ng mga tutorial na to ay short form or parang mga TikTok lang sila or reel. And sobrang dami dito sa ating community na humihingi ng mga longer tutorials. Kumbaga, paano ba mag-beat match ng dalawang kanta? Ipakita mo yung step-by-step process. Paano ba gumawa ng mga mashup? Ano ba yung mga effects na dapat gamitin during a mix? Yung mga bagay kasi na ganoon, hindi talaga siya angkop para sa maiksing 60-second video or 35-second. Kailangan mas mahaba pa talaga siya. Usually, these last between 4 to 7 minutes. And for that reason, maraming humihingi ng mga long-form na videos. And I've been listening to you and your fellow students, mga gusto talaga matuto mag-DJ. They are interested in the craft. They want to know more. So what I've been doing the past few months is nagko-conceptualize ako ng mga long-form na tutorials that I can create so that I can share them with you for free. In fact, nakagawa na ako ng complete syllabus. Nandito siya sa isang notebook na to. And basically all of the lessons from how to get started all the way to making your first mix and then building your collection and actually gigging out as a DJ, nandito na included siya. So yung question ko for you is, yung mga long-form videos na to, okay lang ba kung gawin ko sila in English? I know na itong buong Kuya DJ natin na channel, pati sa Facebook, sa DJ Joey Santos ko na Facebook, lahat to Tagalog or Taglish, diba? I was thinking kasi meron na tayong global audience ngayon, maraming nakikisubaybay doon sa Facebook page natin na, you know, they're from the US, from Europe, tapos, you know, they like the reviews, okay naman sila. Pero pag nagkakaroon ng mga tutorial na Tagalog, minsan hindi nila maintindihan, lalo na kung sa simula mag-i-English ako ng konti. So I was thinking maybe it would be good kung gawin natin English yung mga long-form tutorials natin, di ba? Para yung mga DJs natin in other parts of the world can join in and they'll understand what it is that I'm teaching. So again, that's my question to you. Okay lang ba kung yung mga long-form tutorial natin ay gawin ko in English imbes na Tagalog or Taglish? Please let me know in the comments. I'll read each and every single one of those and please give me feedback too, okay? Thanks.